I'm Roberta, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the secret ingredients of Vietnamese cuisine, roasted rice powder. Now you can buy it, but it's usually ground so finely that it has no flavour and it's so easy to make. It's got a lovely nutty texture and a crunch. So we take some plain white jasmine rice into a fry pan and over the heat, and we're going to toast it for about 5 to 6 minutes. So here we have our raw rice in the pan, and it looks like raw rice. It's not transparent, but it's slightly translucent, and it's over a medium heat. In 5 or 6 minutes, all of those grains are going to be noticeably a lot whiter. You can see it already starting to happen, perhaps, to the ones there at the edge. Can you see that that's a lot whiter than the ones next to it? We're going to toast this, and we're going to moderate the heat so it doesn't toast too quickly. We're going to toast this until all of the grains are white like that, and then until they go just a very slight golden, then we'll grind it. Now you can see that all of those grains are now white, and some of them have just started to turn a pale golden. They look a bit smaller, they look more brittle, and there's no more translucency. I'm just going to take it a little tiny bit further. Unfortunately, they don't brown evenly, even in this lovely copper pan. So you do want to use a heavy based pan for this. If your pan is not heavy, certainly keep your heat lower. We'll just take that a little tiny bit further, and then we'll set them aside to cool so we can grind it. I'm ready to take that off the heat now. And the real giveaway for me is it smells like popcorn. You can smell when it's ready. So we'll take, fabulous. We'll take that off the heat, we'll put it aside to cool. So here's our beautiful golden opaque rice. We're going to pop it into the spice grinder. I guess traditionally this would be done in a mortar and pestle, but you want it quite fine, and I'm far too lazy to pound it that fine in a mortar and pestle. You go right ahead if you like. So into my trusty spice grinder. Now, that's about right. It's still got texture, it's grainy, which is what we want, but it's not going to be so gritty that it gets large bits in our mouth. What you can do to keep it as fresh as possible is toast the rice and store the toasted rice in the fridge, and then just blitz a smaller portion as you need. I've just blitzed it all there. I'm going to use that in the next few weeks on salads, so I'm happy just to pop that in the crisper in a Ziploc bag, take it out and use it as I need it. Roasted rice powder, one of the great secrets of Vietnamese cuisine.